northbound on Coit this morning, Saturday, June 4th. And we're going to go to the new Starbucks. It is on Legacy near Coit. Used to be a Taco Bueno. And now it is a Starbucks with a drive-thru. They opened that one up. They shut down one that had been at the corner, the northeast corner of Legacy and Coit, in the strip shopping center. It didn't have a drive-thru. It was kind of a small Starbucks, and they shut that one down when they opened this one up. We're gonna go hit this drive-thru. Some Saturday morning coffee. We are turning west on Legacy. So we got Wells Fargo and Chase Banks on our left here, right next to the new Starbucks. And next to that Starbucks is Walgreens. This shopping center here is pretty much anchored by Sprouts, and it's got several other things, including Armed Forces recruiters. I'm not sure this is this might be the main Armed Forces recruiter office in Plano. I don't know if there's more than one. Got a music school, dentist, Korean barbecue, some nail and hair salon places. There's another restaurant over here. Several restaurants, actually. Car repair. Won't be getting anything to eat here because just on the other corner is one of my favorite donut places, Sonny's. So I'm gonna get some donuts over there.
I think Starbucks is up for today.
Hey, gotta get our grande sweet vanilla cream nitro cold brew with one Splenda.
All right, what else for you?
That's all. Appreciate it.
Yeah, be 6.2. Thank you.
Oh, we're 4 back from the window. I'll do a speed up here so we don't have to wait so long. All right.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
It'll be 6.2. There you go. You have a great day.
All right. Appreciate it. let's head over to the donut shop. Now, how I exited there, I don't know if that's right. I drove over into Chase's parking lot and exited their driveway, but they don't have any speed bumps there. So this guy got pool maintenance guy with some with a board on his truck. Looks pretty cool. There's a Medco ER there at the corner. Hollywood Feed is over here. Wendy's is over here. Several more restaurants in the strip over here. There's Italian and Indian. Let's see, one of the big paint suppliers has a store in here. I forgot who it is. We'll see it here real quick. And we're now in the southeast corner of Coit and Legacy. Oh, Sherwin-Williams, that's who I couldn't remember. Bella Italia restaurant is, in my opinion, excellent. Really love getting pizza there. Alright, we're going to Sunny Donut. Straighten the camera up a little bit. It wasn't too crooked. Hope everybody has a good Saturday, and we will see you in the next video.